Now, how to use copy text on stream. First, what is copy text on stream? It's an app that converts screenshot into text. Now here, I will show you everything you need to know about this application. So what to do and to know everything about this application. Now, first one is how to download it. Now to download it, first, now open your Play Store or Apple Store, depending on your device you are using. Now here like this. Now click on the Play Store. Here, click on the search icon. Now here, type copy text on stream here like this. Now what you do now is click on search to search for it. Now here you can see copy text on screen. Now here what you do now is to click on it here. Make sure you download this app. Now after downloading it, what you do now is to open it on your background or open it here. Here I will open it here. Now here the second one is how each feature works. Now here you can see what I have done. You can see the projects I have done on it. You can see the image I have converted to text here. You can see it here. Now here on the down section is here. This question icon means where you can know about how it works and how to use it. Now here, go back here. Now here on the camera icon is where you can take a picture and then convert it to text here. Now here on the downside here on the picture icon, you can see it here, is where you can go to your gallery and then click on any image you want to convert to text here, like this. And then select the language you want to convert it into here by clicking on any language here, or search for it on the search icon here. You can see it here and type the language here. Now also here they say handwritten is where you can make it handwritten or make it look like handwritten by clicking this toggle on here. You see? Now here on the top side here is where you can cancel it by clicking on this cancel icon. Now here you can see a question mark icon here. By clicking this question mark icon is a quick guide on how to copy text. You see? Now here also this icon means the crop icon here. By clicking this, you can crop this image anyhow you like here. You see? You can crop it anyhow you like. Also you can rotate the image by clicking here. You see? You can rotate the image by clicking here. Now here, after cropping it, what you do is just click on this good icon here. See, yeah, it's also here by clicking this three line good icon here is where you can automate what you want it to do after you copy it. You can here click here, copy to clipboard. Automatically it will copy it to clipboard. Now here on the second line it says save as txt file. Here is where you can automatically extract it as txt file here. Now here you can see translate extracted text. Here is where you can select the language you want to translate it into here, and then automatically it will translate it into that language when it converts it to text here. Now here you can here extract the link here. It will automatically copy out any copyable link in that picture. Here by clicking this clickable link, it will show every link, every clickable link. It will extract every clickable link by clicking this icon. Now here, go back like this by clicking on the screen. Now here, to convert this image to text, what you do now is to click on this good icon after setting everything up here. And what, as you can see, it is extracting the text. You see it here. As you can see, it has extracted the text. See, you can know how it converts it more by putting this down like this. You see, and this is just to show you clear view on how it copies it very well. And here, by clicking this icon, this copy icon on the top side here, is to copy all like this. You can see I've copied all. You see it here, I've copied all. Now here you can copy a particular part from the converted text like this by pressing on it like this and then select it like this. You can see here, select how you like it and then click on copy. You see I've copied it. You see it here. Now here you can share it to anyone just by clicking this here. And here you can select any format you want it to be into here by clicking on this txt or plain text. You see, and then click on copy or click on share like this and share it to your any place you want to share it to. You can see here, and here go back. Now you can see this translate icon. By clicking this icon, it will take you to Google Translate app. Here you can see it and paste the language and convert it to any language you want. But this is optional. The app can still do it. But go back here like this. And here you can see here, you can find every clickable link by clicking this icon. You see, it will show you every clickable link here on the image. it will show you every extracted clickable link by clicking this icon. You can see it shows that there is no clickable link here. And here, click on OK to go back. Now here also, by clicking this streamline icon on top side here, it will show you option features you can also find. Like here you can see front side. Here is where you can change the front side to anyhow you like it. See? Change it. Now also here you can see text to speech here. Now here on the text to speech is where it will read it for you like this.
Hello, August, Campus Christian, Postgraduate FESA CPNSHIP, PATA.
You see it here. Now here you can see export as TXT file. You can see here, you can export it as TXT file. Here you can also see download here. You can go back by sliding this icon. Now here you can see two facing arrow icon here. Now here this icon means go to the next extracted text here like this. By clicking on it, as you can see, I'm in the next extracted text. Here you see it here. Now here to go back and try, just click on this back arrow icon on top side here. Now here by pressing any image like this, means you want to select it. You can see here by pressing it like this means you want to select it. Now also you can also share it by clicking this share icon, or you can also edit or copy it like this by clicking this line icon on the top side here. But you can see here select, or you can see here copy, you can see here export as TXT file, you can see here delete. So it's an option. And also you can do it also by clicking this three line icon down side here. You can also see share, copy, extract as TXT file, delete. You can see this feature, you see it here. Also you can go back by clicking on the screen like this. Now here you can search a particular text to extract it by clicking on this search icon on the top side here and search for a particular text. Like here I will say, you see it shows me the one that contains Zealand. You see it here. And then if you want, you can click on it and then copy any text from it. Now also you can see this three line icon on the top side here. By clicking on this here you can find all scan. This all scan mean home icon. By clicking on it, you can see here we return to the home section. Now here you can see settings. Here you find confirm as edit app, which means confirm before you edit from the app. Now here you can see select theme. Here you can select any theme. You can select light, dark, or use system default. You can see here. Now here you can see camera preference. Here on camera preference means here you can use the app camera, or you can use your device camera, anyone you like. Here I will use the app camera. Now here you can see rate this app. Now here you can see default translation language. Now here by clicking this default translation language means, now here you can select the language you want it to be displaying on the screen, or the language you want it to be into, or the language you want it to be. Now also you can go back by clicking this back arrow icon, or search for the language by clicking this search icon here. Now also go back. Now here you can see backup and restore by clicking this here. Now here by clicking this backup, you can back it up on your local storage, or you can back it up on your cloud, anyone you choose. And also you can restore it by clicking on this restore here. Now also you can go back by clicking this back arrow icon on top side here. And here you can go back also by clicking this back arrow icon here, or can go back entirely by clicking your back navigation, but here I'll click on back. Now here also you can share this app to your friend by clicking on this share this app. Here you can see. Now here you can rate them by clicking this rate us. Also you can contact them by clicking this contact us. You see it here. Also now go back entirely by clicking on your screen like this. You see. So try this app and tell me how it works on the comment section. And also if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.